Hi everyone, so I'm going to very quickly show you how to remove the yellow coloring from the old photos. This is something you want to do if, one, you have a very old photo that has yellowed. You want to take the yellow coloring out before you start to add color back into the image because it'll mess with the color when you try to add it in. Or two, if you're using an old or a newer damaged photo that is already a color photo. For the purposes of our assignment, we want to um, have no color in the image and be adding that color back in because that's part of the assignment requirements. So in that case, you'll use the same process. So here I have this image I found that is in bad need of corrections. So of course we're going to create a folder, make an original group. Okay, we will duplicate this background and put a copy of it in our originals, and that we won't mess with, right? That's a copy of unedited originals. So then I will duplicate that again, and just like in the exercise, I'll make a repair group and add the copy of the repair into that group. Okay, so this background that I can get rid of because I have a copy of the original already here. I have my repair group, and I'm going to start off with this image, but the very first thing I want to do is desaturate it. So you can use this as your starting point and just go to Image, Adjustments, and choose Desaturate. Okay, and what that does is that removes any color data from the image, and then we have a pure black and white image, so that if I were to start adding color into this, the yellow from the faded yellow is not a factor in what this color looks like. Let's see what it looks like with the yellow there. So it does change the quality of the blue a little bit. If the blue is a little bit lower opacity, like we might see, it almost changes it to green. It has a little bit of a green tone. So just make sure that you're doing that desaturation step. Even if it doesn't seem very yellow, it might still have a little bit of yellowing, so it doesn't hurt to do this as your very first step before beginning work on your project. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.